Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the train service in Jamaica. Now the government is getting ready to start back up a passenger line service in Jamaica. So this is excellent news because, as you know, Jamaica is progressing nicely. There's so much development happening all over Jamaica. For instance, the North Coast. You have so many hotels being built. You're going to have to get workers from the largest population area in Jamaica, which is Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, to other parts of the island to facilitate all the developments that's going on, to move freight, to move people. It's needed. This is actually the Old Harbour train station we're looking at now. And a lot has to be done because these old structures are obsolete. They need to be destroyed, demolished, and new structures built. But that will come in time. So this train line is actually active. You have a student train service that runs between Old Harbour and Spanish Town. You have a few other routes that the train service takes for students, and it's doing extremely well. But the passenger train service now, that's the one that will carry adults, that will carry people to and from work. That is what the government is trying to get started, and the article will give more information on it. Also, they want to be able to get tourists involved to use a train. So they're trying to set up a train service from Montego Bay to the Appleton estate in St. Elizabeth. Now, can you imagine if you could get from Montego Bay to Ocherios to Duns River Falls via train? That would be a game changer for Jamaica. From the Falmouth Port to Duns River or Ocherios. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the restarting of the train service. The Jamaica Railway Corporation is looking to commence work towards launching Phase 1 of the tourist train service between Montpelier St. James and Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth. This engagement will involve, among other things, track reconstruction, acquisition of trains, and constructing necessary infrastructure along the route. The corporation also plans to kickstart preparations for the launch of passenger and freight train services between Spanish Town and Kingston. Additionally, the company will finalize the rollout of commercial rail service from Junction to Linstead in St. Catherine, specifically for transporting aggregates. These activities form part of the JRC's programmed continuation this year of strategies targeting the entity's improved positioning to revitalize and expand rail service and optimize its financial performance. Details of these and other engagements are contained in the Jamaican Public Bodies of Estimates and Expenditure for the fiscal year 2024-25. The JRC is also expected to commence discussions with private investors to secure funding for building rail infrastructure, rehabilitating existing rolling stock, acquiring new trains, and upgrading the entity's Kingston workshop. Meanwhile, the entity plans to continue the monetization of real estate properties owned to generate optimum returns on the portfolio. The corporation is also looking to expand its leased lands and properties while considering the implementation of a cashless rental collection system for tenants. The JRC is a statutory body formed under the Jamaica Railway Corporation Act of 1960. Alright guys, we will keep you updated on this project as it is very important for Jamaica. Jamaica can go so far with the roads and the buses. At some point, we're going to need a train service up and running for Jamaica to reach its true potential. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.